listen to this. I love this part. God is patient and kind. Luke 6, 34, 35, 36. God is kind. God is not jealous. God is not boastful. You don't see Jesus. Just look at human beings, how boastful we can be because of one thing that maybe God allowed, not even God. Sometimes these people just do stuff with other things, other means, and then they become so boastful and so prideful. I'm listening to them say, I did this, I did that, just like the Pharisee that came. Oh, I am the one. I keep the law. I do this. It is I boastful. It is never what the Lord has done. But listen to Jesus. Jesus said, the Father in me, he doeth the work. And that's why I tell people sometimes, when I do stuff and they're like, oh, I say, hold up. Give glory to God. Because left to me as a human being, I will not do it. So whatever you are benefiting, it is the God in me that is doing it.